Barbatuan from grade 7 section Orchids. Today, we're gonna make a DIY Alkansya. Here are the materials that we need: glue, super glue, a tin can or a Pringles can, scissors or a cutter, colored paper, and photos if you like. First, we're gonna glue the lid. Let it dry for a few minutes. The next step is to wrap the tin can with paper or colored paper. And now we will cut the pictures and stick it to the tin pan. And now, we're gonna stick the pictures to the can. And now, we're gonna put a coin slot on the tape using a cutter. Now here's my DIY Alkansya.